hear those weird sounds? Yep. What sounds? I'm playing Fortnite. Not you, Apple. I know you weren't here, so we would ignore you because you're playing a game. Let's get another kill. Let's break this. Bro did a whole backflip. Why is there so much lag? Really, dude? Bro really kicked his butt. I can explain why there's an lag. I can fix it, so we will have to do it with the lag. Dude, these noises are getting intense. Let's see what's up there. No, I won't do that. Oh, come on. Stop being a scaredy cat. Break. Right. We might have to eat a ball. Broken? Break. Please. I can just delete. Yeah, that is so much lag. Time to see what's up here. Oh. Dude. So what's up there? What? What's up there? I didn't even look yet. I'm still knocked out. How are you knocked out even though you're talking? I can't see. Could we stop doing this now? No. I've been trying to look at this TV for thousands of years and you're still not letting me? You're still in the way of the TV. The invisible TV, you mean? Ah! Dang! What the heck were they doing? They were talking about random TV. I'm just going to go down again. Ah! No! It's sucking me. What the heck? Why are you interrupting our TV? I'm not here to interrupt, but this thing literally sucked me in. And let me out of here. No. Come on. It's not that cringe. The TV's not that cringe. Let me look at the TV. Let me look at this TV before I literally kill you. What is going on? Hey, yo, get off of me, weirdo. Also, here's a task. We will give you so much chocolate if you kill the rest down there. But why? they're annoying. I kind of agree. They always bring chocolate in here, but my back. Stop bringing chocolate into this house. Why? Yeah, why? We love chocolate. Dang it. Uh. Get out of here, you dumb little. You just killed a melon. Ah. Now you, Apple. You. What the heck wrong with your voice? And I'm about to win. I'm gonna let you win before I kill you. Yes, the dub. You just broke the whole thing. No peanut butter chocolate. Let's frickin' go. Dude. Oh, they gone. Well. What do we have here? Our new enemy, Baller. Bro, all I did was follow the guys in our attic just for chocolate. Oh, just for chocolate? Yeah. Let's go kill him. Forget this. We need it. God mode. God mode. God mode. God mode. Ah, my hair. Oh no. I messed. I might need a weapon, but I know it won't work. I'm still dead. Go get him. I need to turn on slow motion because the fight is easier. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh. Ah! Who's next? I will go. Now, who's next? How do you keep defeating them easy? Band powers. Easy. Stay away from me. I know you can ban me, but get out here. It's got. Ugh. Last word. You better not do it. 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 My lungs here after that scream. My lungs. Oh my god, 3%. 3 frickin' %.